Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, walking the blue line that you can see on the ground on the way back to Carnival Cruise Ship in Mazatlan, Mexico. It's a guided walking area towards the downtown. I'm taking it on the return. You can see a safe walking area and all kinds of shrubbery to the side. Lots of different places. On this side, you can see several trees, some palm trees, and other manicured shrubs. Looks like a spa to the left. You can see various buses taking people to and from cruise port, potentially other destinations. On this side, another place. Not sure, maybe a restaurant, Koshina food, maybe kitchen. Coming to the side here, you can see the Carnival Cruise Ship in the backgrounds, Carnival Panorama I'm heading back to. And over here, bakery, spa, many places throughout Mazatlan. You can see some trash cans with Mazatlan on them. They keep it relatively clean. You can see the blue line continues. So those traveling without mobile data or lack of access to Google Maps, you have a place that you can just walk and follow. In the back, I can see a building with some art on it. It looks like a deer right in the center, obstructed a bit by the pole, but you can see it now in the back. More of the palm trees. To the left, another vendor selling different types of plants. Coming up to the right, see more things for sale. Lots of people on bikes, perhaps renting them on their cruise stop. Looks like a clothing repair place, closed at the moment. Police up here, seeing security or police throughout. Perhaps that's a nice thing, that not as much crime going on with more police around or more protection for tourists like myself. Car wash to the right, mini supermarket. You can see various cacti in the screen. More plant life. I walked here to the downtown area that you likely saw in other videos. So pretty nice, avoiding the high cost of taxis. I did see some buses throughout, but not sure about the prices on those or how reputable they are. Water fountains. Over here, another, looks like a church, some sort of religious building. And another sign pointing towards the cruise terminal. So follow the signs, follow the blue line. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Mazatlan in Mexico.